can see how tolerant he really is. Watch him getting a shot. Why not? That'll be a different video.
If he doesn't behave, then we just cut that part out.
Right. He should be fine. It's a good video, actually. On Pongo. Finally get you on video.
Alright, 2 shots coming up.
Let's see how he does with the shots.
I'll probably be a little bit jumpy.
You think he'll be jumpy? I think he's calming down a little. He's been shoved in that kennel. Nobody took him out since the 10th. So,
Seems like he's pretty adoptable, huh?
he's been with us a while. He's strong.
Well, like I say,
This is
people
tolerant.
get nervous about pits,
Oh.
and
And look at this. He's getting a shot and he's fine.
that's
Look at that. One.
good boy.
Look at that. See?
He's already been weighed, he can come down.
Look at that.